Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Before we begin, I want you to understand something powerful. This meditation is shifting the energy between you and the person on your mind in a way that makes you magnetic, unforgettable, and irresistible. By the time you finish this, they won't just be thinking about you. They will feel drawn to you. They will crave your presence. They will become energetically attached to your essence. So get comfortable, relax your body, and allow this energy to begin working for you now. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, breathe in deeply, and release. Let go of the outside world. Nothing matters right now except you, your energy, and what you are about to receive. With every breath, you drop deeper. With every exhale, you release resistance. You are safe. You are powerful. You are in control of your reality. Now repeat after me out loud or in your mind. They are constantly thinking about me. I live in their mind effortlessly. They are emotionally drawn to me. They feel safe, connected, and deeply attached to my energy. I am irresistible. My presence is addictive. They crave my attention. They crave my voice. They crave being close to me. I don't chase, I attract. They feel pulled toward me naturally. Every time they think of me, their feelings grow stronger. They can't ignore me, and they don't want to. I am unforgettable. I am magnetic. I am the energy they desire most. They are becoming more attached to me every single day. They prioritize me. They value me. They choose me. It feels natural for them to want me. I am the person they can't get enough of. Now I want you to feel it. Imagine them. See their face clearly. Notice how they look at you now. There's desire, curiosity, and attachment. They are thinking about you right now. Feel the shift. They miss you. They want to reach out. They feel pulled back into your energy. And the more you relax, the stronger this connection becomes. You are no longer wondering if they like you. You know. You feel it in your body, in your chest, in your energy field. You are chosen. You are wanted. You are deeply desired. Let that feeling settle in. This is your new reality. Now take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now slowly open your eyes. I want you to lock this in by typing, "They are addicted to my energy and always come back to me." This seals the intention and claims this energy. And if you are ready to speed this up even faster, visit joybyjanell.com, where you can access deeper manifestation tools designed to amplify your results. Come back to this meditation daily and watch how everything begins to shift in your favor.